Good morning, girls. Happy Tuesday. Today's class is all about new vocabulary. So let's begin. As the first activity, I prepared for you a tongue twister. So remember, after I read it for you, pause the video and repeat it 3 times. The king gave the queen a pink and green ring. Now it's your turn, girls. Okay. Now that you've practiced 3 times, no cheating. Okay, so now that you've practiced 3 times this tongue twister, let's continue. The first word we have is advance. Advance means to move forward, to be in front of your friends, or be like discover something earlier than they do. Advance. What can be advanced? A technology can be advanced. A leader can be advanced for its time. Developed. Developed is the past tense for develop. That means to bring to life or to make it working. Repeat after me. Developed. Okay. The next word, exhausting. Exhausting can be an activity, or in this case, I can say that the race was pretty exhausting for the lady. Well, I don't think the runner, it's not like I think. Sure, a runner is exhausted, tired. Exhausting is an activity. What is exhausting? Very tiring. That makes you super tired, and when you cannot move a finger after some activities. That means exhausting. Or you can be exhausted. Right? Okay, repeat after me. Exhausting. Okay. The next one, headquarters. Headquarters are offices where the chief in command for an army, for a police department, here where he gives orders from. That's where he works, he or she. Repeat after me, headquarters. Okay, the next word, impossible. Impossible is the opposite of possible, something that we can do. In this case, we cannot do. We cannot put a square bar into a circle hole, especially if it's bigger than a hole. Okay, this mission is impossible. Repeat after me, impossible. Okay, the next word, intense. Intense means extreme. This guy looks pretty intense, stressed, and extreme about playing the tube. Repeat after me, intense. Okay, the next word, messages. It's a plural for message. They can be written on a paper or digital. Okay, messages. Repeat after me, messages. Excellent. And the last word means reveal. It's a verb. Reveal means to show, to share, or to open. It can be to reveal a secret, or to reveal a present, or to reveal something that is hidden. Reveal. Repeat after me. Reveal. Excellent. Now, ladies, if you need to watch the beginning of the video where I explain the meaning of each word, please do it, because now you will need to use the words that I explained in exercises 1 to 10 on page 122. You'll take a picture of this page and you'll send it to me. And now I have another activity for you. I hope you remember when we played a Pictionary game in our notebooks. Now you'll need to open your notebook you need to write down the date, and you'll need to write down the title, Pictionary. Do not write down the words because we're going to play. First of all, you'll make the drawings of the words that we just worked with. And then remember, that's the keyword, without telling me what's the word, you'll take a picture of your page and you'll send it to me by message. Why by message and not as an attached document? Because when you send me a message, I can answer you and tell you what the 3 words that you draw are. For example, you can draw something that is revealed, or you can draw something that is exhausting. Maybe it's exhausting to run a marathon. Maybe it's exhausting to do sports or clean your room. You decide an activity that is exhausting. So that's the activity actually 2 activities that I'll be expecting from you. Page 122 and 3 drawings that represent 3 vocabulary words.